To enter recovery mode on the Redmi Note 14S, first of all, you'd like to turn off your phone completely. So let's press the power button and the volume up button simultaneously to open the power menu. After that, go for the power off and make sure that your phone is turned off completely. Let's wait a little bit for the phone to shut down. And after that, if you want to enter the recovery mode, you would like to turn on your phone using the power button and the volume up button simultaneously. And let me just show you how you can do this. So first of all, let's press and hold the power button and volume up button. And after the Mi logo appears, you'll have to release the power button and keep on holding this volume up button. So press and hold both of these buttons. When the Mi logo appears, release the power button and keep on holding this volume up button until the recovery mode is like on the screen, until the recovery mode appears. So keep on holding, and now you can release. And right here, as you can see, now we are in this recovery mode, and here's the instruction to use volume buttons to navigate through the recovery mode and power key to confirm. So from here you can connect with the Mi assistant, you can wipe data completely, and you can reboot your device. So let's go and reboot it back into the system, actually like this. So this is basically how you can enter recovery mode.